Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best queen bed frame is probably one of the most crucial pieces of furniture in your bedroom, setting the tone for your entire space and directly impacting your sleep quality, so choosing the right one is essential for both comfort and style. We're diving deep into the world of queen-size bed frames, specifically those featuring a headboard, to help you make an informed decision that will transform your bedroom into a sanctuary of relaxation and elegance. Get ready to discover the perfect blend of functionality and aesthetics that will elevate your sleeping experience to new heights. Number 5. Zinus Shalini Upholstered Platform Bed Frame, Queen. Introducing the Shalini Bed Frame. Its elegant diamond stitching and sturdy construction offer a chic and timeless addition to any bedroom. Crafted with a durable steel and wood frame, supportive slats, and plush foam padding, this bed is designed for lasting comfort and can support up to 700 pounds. Enjoy the convenience of durable wood slats that support your mattress and extend its life, eliminating the need for a box spring. Assembly is a breeze with all parts, tools, and instructions conveniently packed inside the frame. 2 people can set it up in under an hour. Rest assured with our 5-year limited warranty, covering any manufacturing defects for your peace of mind. What we like? If you appreciate timeless design and a touch of elegance, this bed frame is a fantastic choice. Its woven fabric and diamond stitching offer a chic look that elevates any bedroom. With a sturdy steel and wood frame supporting up to 700 pounds, it's built for lasting comfort and style. You should consider this if you're looking for a bed that's both beautiful and reliably constructed, without the hassle of a box spring. What people say? The whole frame fits inside the backboard piece, so it made moving so easy. It is also really easy to put together, simple to disassemble, pretty sturdy and comfortable to lean against. It is high enough to have some storage under the bed as well. I also haven't noticed any substantial creaking or squeaking. The bed is shipped with all parts zipped neatly inside of the headboard. The instructions are very easy to follow. It comes with extra screws, and a handy ratcheting Allen wrench for use. This bed is very sturdy and quiet, no noise coming from restless sleepers. It came in a relatively small box, cleverly stuffed with everything needed to assemble the bed, all parts, etc., attractively ensconced in the headboard itself, cool Allen wrench included, which is the only tool you'll need. The finished bed is very sturdy and, at least so far, noise-free. Number 4. Allewie Full-Size Platform Bed Frame. Elevate your bedroom with a touch of vintage charm. Its versatile design complements any decor, from industrial to modern. Built with solid metal and 12 supportive slats, this frame offers exceptional stability. It can hold up to 800 pounds and doesn't require a box spring. Maximize your space with 12 inches of clearance beneath the bed. It's perfect for storing your belongings and keeping your room tidy. Experience undisturbed rest thanks to its innovative noise-reducing features. Enjoy peaceful nights without any squeaks or creaks. Setting it up is a breeze. All necessary parts and tools are included, and assembly can be completed in about 30 minutes. What we like? For those who love a blend of vintage charm and modern practicality, this bed frame stands out. Its decorative round posts add a trendy, stylish touch to any room. The generous 12-inch underbed clearance is perfect for keeping your space organized, and the unique noise-reducing features ensure a peaceful night's sleep. If you're seeking a bed that's both aesthetically pleasing and functional for storage and quiet rest, this is a great option. What people say? The rubber on the metal beams is genius. No noise there. It is very solid and sturdy. The 4 metal side rails keeps my mattress in place perfectly. This bed frame is very well made and sturdy. Design is unique and beautiful. Easy to put together and delivery was fast. The slats are about 6 inches apart and stand up so that the narrow edge is up. All of the holes lined up and we didn't have to modify anything at all. They provided extra hardware so that if you lose a screw, all is now lost. Speaking of hardware, it was packaged nicely too. Number 3. VASAGLE LED Bed Frame Queen Size URMB 821G71. Transform your bedroom atmosphere with customizable LED lights. Choose from 25 colors and multiple modes to match your mood, all controlled easily with the included remote. Never worry about a dead battery again. This bed frame features both a USB and a Type-C port, allowing you to charge 2 devices simultaneously right from your headboard. Keep your space tidy with generous storage options. It includes 4 large drawers, 2 side pockets, and 2 storage bags, perfect for everything from clothes to small essentials. Rest assured with its robust construction. Supported by strong steel slats, it offers superior stability and durability, capable of holding up to 1,000 pounds. Setting up is a breeze with clear instructions and included tools. Plus, the headboard height is adjustable to perfectly accommodate your mattress. What we like? If you're a tech enthusiast or love to customize your bedroom's ambience, this bed frame is designed for you. The adjustable LED headboard with multiple colors and modes allows you to set the perfect mood. Plus, with 2 built-in charging ports, USB and Type-C, keeping your devices powered up is effortless. The integrated drawers also provide ample storage, making it ideal for those who want a modern, feature-rich, and organized sleeping space. What people say. The bed is very sturdy, very comfy, and of great value for the money. It looks great in her room. She also loved the lights, the bottom storage, and USB ports. The bed is extremely easy to put together and move. The LED function is awesome and my kids like how they light up the bedroom. Getting similar beds for them soon. As mentioned before, the bed materials are sturdy, they came well packaged in a single box and the bed is extremely sturdy despite being so light. Number 2. BME Vivian 14-inch Deluxe Bed Frame. Experience the beauty of sustainable acacia wood. This king-sized bed frame is meticulously crafted with a rustic golden brown finish that's sure to impress. Enjoy optimal mattress support with its durable, solid wood construction. The unique wood grain adds a touch of elegance, making it a stunning centerpiece for your bedroom. Our robust wood slat system provides complete mattress support, eliminating the need for a box spring. It's built to last, with a weight capacity of up to 800 pounds. Setting up your new bed frame is a breeze. All necessary parts, tools, and instructions are conveniently packed in one box, allowing for assembly in under an hour with a friend. We're here to help. Our customer service team is available 24/7 to assist you with any questions or concerns you may have. What we like? If you're drawn to natural beauty and exceptional craftsmanship, this bed frame is an excellent selection. Constructed from sustainable acacia wood with a stunning rustic golden brown finish, it brings a unique, impressive centerpiece to your master suite. The solid wood slat system provides robust mattress support, eliminating the need for a box spring. Consider this if you prioritize natural materials, a beautiful wood grain, and a sturdy, well-crafted foundation. What people say. It was reasonably priced, and is very attractive, solid wood, and sturdy. It was also very easy to put together. The deep espresso color and wood-textured finish give it a very elegant, beautiful look. Assembly was quick and easy, and all the screws fit securely. It's not only gorgeous with its clean, minimalist design, but it's also extremely sturdy and well-made. The wood has a warm, natural finish that instantly elevated the look of my bedroom. Assembly was simple and straightforward, everything was labeled clearly and I put it together in under an hour. No squeaks, no wobbling, and it supports my mattress perfectly without a box spring. Number 1. Z-hom Easy Assembly Sturdy Metal Platform Bed. Setting up your new bed is a breeze. Customers love how easy it is to assemble, often completing it in under an hour with our clear instructions and included tools. Experience exceptional stability with its robust metal frame. It's designed for long-term durability and provides reliable support for your mattress, eliminating the need for a box spring. Enjoy a quiet night's rest. The thoughtful design and reinforced joints minimize any potential squeaks or creaks, ensuring your sleep remains undisturbed. Make the most of your room. Ample space beneath the bed is perfect for storing bins, clothing, or luggage, helping you keep your bedroom tidy and organized. This bed offers the perfect blend of modern style and practical features. It's a satisfying upgrade that enhances your bedroom's look and functionality without breaking the bank. What we like? For those who value durability, simplicity, and smart storage solutions, this metal platform bed is a top contender. Its robust metal frame is praised for its rock-solid stability and quiet operation, minimizing squeaks for uninterrupted sleep. The generous underbed clearance offers ample space for storage, making it perfect for maximizing your room's functionality. If you're looking for a no-fuss, long-lasting bed that keeps your space tidy and quiet, this is a fantastic value. What people say. Assembly was a total breeze. Each part has a number sticker that matches the numbers in the instruction manual, so I never got confused. Everything lined up perfectly, and once connected, all the pieces feel super sturdy. I absolutely love the design, especially the wood grain accents on the headboard and footboard. It blends that modern, clean look with a touch of warmth, and it fits right in with my other furniture. Product is rated at 1,200 pounds, which is more than enough support for an average size weight adult. Frame is perfect for under bed storage, which is an added bonus. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.